Hello friends. So in this section of FRCR bits, the first bit is concerning the nucleus of atoms. Let's answer each of these questions. So in FRCR physics, we have true or false sections. So first we will see FRCR physics. FRCR physics consists of 40 questions. Each question will have 5 options, and our aim is to answer it as true or false. So total we will have 40 into 5, that is almost 200 questions. So the marking is for 200. Okay, so we'll start with the bit, first question. So concerning the nucleus of atoms, answer the true or false. So first, nucleus of atom is made up of protons and electrons. Option B is made up of protons and neutrons. Option C, nucleons are held together by a strong nuclear force. Option D, the mass number represents the number of protons. Option E, number of protons and neutrons are always equal. So let us see each of them. Nucleus of atoms. Nucleus of atoms is made up of protons and neutrons, not electrons. So this is false. So what is nucleus of atom made up of? Nucleus of atom is made up of nucleus consists of protons plus neutrons. Next. So nucleus of atom is made up of protons and neutrons. So this is true. Nucleons are held together by a strong nuclear force. This is also true. The mass number represents the number of protons. Actually, the mass number will represent the number of protons along with the number of neutrons. Protons plus neutrons is called as mass number. So this is false. Number of protons and number of neutrons is always equal. No, it is not always equal. So let us see the main concept of this topic. So the concept is, first, the atom has a nucleus which is present in the center, and this nucleus is actually surrounded by electrons which are present in their respective orbits. Okay, so in the first one we'll have only one. First K shell will have 2 electrons. So what does the nucleus consists of? This nucleus will contain two things. Nucleus will contain protons and it will also contain neutrons. Protons have a charge of +1, neutrons have a charge of 0, and the electrons will have a charge of -1. So there will be a strong force which is present between the nucleus and the uh, electrons, and there will also be a strong force between the protons and neutrons, which will bind the protons and neutrons together. Then what is mass number? Mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons together. We call it as mass number. We also have one more thing. What is atomic number? Atomic number, it mainly represents protons only. Number of protons only is called as atomic number, whereas protons and neutrons, if we add together, then we get mass number. Then so for many for higher elements, the protons are not equal to neutrons always. Especially for higher atomic numbers, protons are less when compared to neutrons. So this is the main concept. Protons are not equal to neutrons. So So concerning the nucleus of atoms, there are three important uh, sentences. It is made up of protons and neutrons, and nucleons are held together by the strong force. Mass number is protons and neutrons. Only protons is nothing but atomic number. Number of neutrons and number of protons are not always equal. So this is the bit. Thank you.